me hold it.
Good morning. Today is a Sunday. We are going to replace spark plugs for 2007 Acura MDX. 6 spark plugs, 3 of them located at the back of this motor, and 2 of them, I don't know whether you guys can see, are going to be right in front here, so I have to remove this case. All right, so to remove this case, there are 2 studs that use the flathead to unscrew. Then this comes right up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead to remove this cover. Just use the flathead to unscrew it anti-clockwise. Come back on this side, do the same, and you can lift this up. Just be careful when you're doing it. And I'm gonna put it on the side. That exposes these 3 spark plugs coils that I'm going to unscrew and remove the spark plugs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the back. I don't know whether you can see it. You have 2. So this is 1. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So I always start from difficult places to get into. So I'm gonna start with the back, then come to the front. All right, so I'm gonna use size 10 socket to remove this bolt. It has to be anti-clockwise. So I'm gonna loosen all of them. Just have to be careful so you don't hurt yourself. If it slips, God helps you. So loosening all of them. There you go. All right, and this is gonna come right out. And remove this. Once you loosen the bolt, you remove this. What you need is the flathead. You push this down. Just be careful, don't break anything. Flathead pushes that thing down. Let me use the other hand. So use 2 hands to hold the other side and push this and remove it. So that's how you do it. You do it for the other 2. The next thing we're gonna do is get this spark plug socket, whatever its name is. So I have this extension that's gonna go down there. So I'm just gonna see if it's gonna fit the hole. There's a spark plug hole. So here I have a socket. Just gonna do this to remove it slowly. Everything you do, just take your time. Release this one. Let's see if I can just unscrew it by my hand. Let's see if I can screw it with my hand. There you go. It's coming. Sorry, I'm recording while holding the phone, so my hand is shaky a little bit. So just remove it slowly. Take your time. I gotta remove this connector, so gives me easy time to remove this spark plug. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I think the space in between here, it's wide, so this spark plug has not been replaced in a long time. Just make sure you don't tie it too tight, because you can destroy the cylinder head. Alright, so I've already done that, and I have to put this back. Alright, so taking out the second one. Now you can use your hand. Once you loosen it, just use your hand to unscrew it and you take it out. So the same thing you're gonna do to the third one right here. So the same thing you're gonna do to the third one. And then we go to the front. Alright, it's coming right up. It's out. It's been a while since I replaced this spark plug. They really did well. And this one is not doing that great. It was almost, I mean, there's a crack. This one is not doing that great, so. this in here. Hope you guys can see. As you can see, there's no tension. You can just hand screw it, but I don't want to do that. I'm not that strong. So this comes right out. So when you're putting it back, you hand tie it. I have this connector. Let's make sure you untie it well. Make sure it's straight. Don't over tighten it. That should be enough. Okay, that's out. Put back this coil. Let's make sure that there's no oil in it. The coil is clean. There's no misfire in this car. Yeah, so it's in. Put this plug back. It's done. Just assess the plug and see if it's not, damaged. And put back this. So that's done. And tighten it a little bit. Okay, good. So we're gonna do the rest. We're gonna do this and do that. So I've installed everything. I've installed both spark plugs in the rear and in the front. So I'm gonna place back the cover, engine cover. Here you go. Just make sure it fits well. It's too dirty. So I'm gonna put back the engine cover the way it was. So put it back, and this has to go clockwise, and this one as well clockwise, and it's all in place. All right, so we're gonna start the car. See how it goes from there. So we're gonna start the car. See how it works. All right. Moment of truth. All right. Right. Yep. Started perfectly. I have the muffler leak, which I need to fix soon. Yeah, it's all rusty. All rusty. This guy's from the East Coast. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you.